Oh my God. So, we'll fly to it. This is a 2000 Toyota Corolla. I just bought a 2002 Toyota Corolla for $200. Engine ran out of oil and it blew through a rod. It's 40% off today at the yard. And see if I can snag this engine. Alright.
Is it recording right now? I can't tell.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
it
okay.
is. We got it out. Alright. It was a struggle, but it came out on top in the end. Alright, so no big deal there. Now, took out 8 bolts connecting the transmission bell housing to the block, and we're just trying to get her off there, okay? So, that's all I got. It's a special way to do it.
I feel like if you lift it a little bit more, then we can pry on it more, right?
Let me tell you, the manual transmission just popped right out. The automatic? My God, I'm stumped.
Oh.
There we go.
Yeah, kind of like that.
Torque converter. Just taking it right off the flex plate. Alright. There we go. It's good to go. Good to take it right up there. Good to go. Yep. Let's get on. Get on going. Are you done recording, or is it good? We're good. Is that good? I think we're set to get out of here.
Alright.
Alright guys. I got this engine from the 2000 Toyota Corolla with approximately 204 to 210,000 miles. It's got some good compression, and the guys in the showroom floor, on the sales floor, were like, you gotta come out and check it. You gotta take these accessories off, which I was gonna do. I wasn't trying to swindle them, you know. It's alright. I'm taking the accessories off right now. So I got that power steering pump off. We're going on with the alternator and then the AC compressor. Then we're gonna take it through that bay, set it in the old Centris trunk, and we'll be off. And I will put it in the Corolla eventually. But that's where we stand right now. I just want to do a little tiny snippet so I can update you on that. There we go. We're good.
Get a pippity pop right out of there.
This is actually too fat. Are you are you still recording?
I just started recording again to get the alternator coming off, and it just wouldn't come off, so I was like, oh.
Yeah, leave that. Oh, that's fine.
Oh no.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Poor guy.
You don't need to record that. They don't need to see
Look at
that.
him.
No, they don't need to see that. It's okay, man.
Oh no.
Dude, hey.
Back in there. There, I'm sorry, man. It's...
Yeah, no one needs to know. No one needs to know.
The alternator and the starter were original. That's pretty A-okay.
You know what?
So they outlasted the actual car.
Props to Toyota. The car ran and drove when it came in here, so.
It outlasted the owner's patience, I guess.
What the? What's going on here? For now. That guy's really on there. I think a majority of people who own these Corollas don't really come to the junkyard.
Alright. It did a cool flip.
Got some style points for that one. Sounds like a skateboard wheel.
Yeah, right to me. It's a really cute dog behind us.
Oh, you gotta get some footage of that guy. So, they yelled at us because there's a torque converter on there. And they came out and they're like, "Hey! Is that a torque converter? You gonna sell that on the Corolla black market? Those things are in high demand. That's a hot commodity." Well, we took it off for them. It doesn't matter. I'm not gonna use the torque converter anyway. Engine is going in. I hope they don't yell at me for the belt, because this belt also could be sold on the Corolla black market. Got this engine most of the way. Oh yeah. Fits in there like a glove.
Pretty spacious trunk, if I do say so myself.
You know, I gotta hand it to the 2002 Nissan Sentra. It's got enough trunk space for a 2002 Corolla engine. And a handful. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Squatting a bit.
Nice and low.
Jeep Cherokee, everybody.
He's did a little peel out there.
One of the fastest cars you can buy. I got this right here, engine hoist. In the back I've got a jack, got a couple lights. Apparently there's some people from the city looking at it, so they're probably gonna sticker them soon. I already bought that engine from the junkyard, 130 bucks, plus a $30 core charge. I'm just gonna have to get her done. So good thing I brought all my tools. The biggest problem I had with taking that engine out of the junkyard was the exhaust manifold, because that was annoying. The downpipe on the other one was completely rusted. Got this engine mount out. I don't even know if this AC is charged. Oh yeah, take off all the accessories before I take the engine out. For some reason, so they've got right here the exhaust manifold. And then attached to the exhaust manifold on the bottom is a bracket, because they thought it would bend or something. I don't know. I just take it off and I never put them back on. Taking this beauty out. There's the engine. Just found the culprit. It's right there. Part of the rod. Alright, well, undo the torque converter. Also, I'm gonna see if I can get that bolt up there. So somebody from the city just came by and told me I'm not allowed to do this without a primary structure. I thought it was kind of strange. It'd be nice to have a garage. Some of these connector pieces I gotta undo. Quick update, police just came by. Apparently somebody reported I'm working on cars on the property and they didn't know if it was my property. There is one bolt on the bottom connecting the bell housing to the block, right in the way of the subframe. Might not even put that bolt back in if I'm being honest. Exhaust manifold is off, accessory pumps are all off. I just heard somebody say they're telling.
I don't like the tattletale.
I don't know, that's a tattletale, that's a snitch. She's gonna learn the hard way. Now I gotta check to see if I can actually get to that bolt. Can't see down here? Yeah, that bolt was able to come right out. Ah. So she's coming. Now I just gotta kind of get it around as much of the wiring as possible. Ah! Yeah.
Wow. And wow, right there too.
That is completely toast. This is good though. Probably take this and put on the other one. Now I just gotta swap them out. That's what a Corolla looks like without an engine. Alright.
Oop, now you can't get to those ignition coils as much. Why are you looking at me like that? I'm just saying. Shoot the camera guy here.
There we go.
Gee whiz.
It'll work for now. The new engine. Okay, so we got the engine in. Went to get some Wendy's, and then we can fill her up and then actually start it. The moment of truth. Looks like we got a running, driving Corolla today, boys. That's the stuff. That's just what the doctor ordered. No,
It's just what the doctor
it's just what the doctor ordered. How's the temperature looking there?
right in the middle.
You know, that's not bad for a day's worth of work. I'm pretty happy, I think.
Not too bad for a junkyard engine, damn.
Oh shoot, he's gonna...
Oh, he freaking turned.
Oh my god.
He fucking turned. Okay, alright, you gotta get us back, Chris. Holy shit.
I wonder if that was one of the guys who stopped earlier.
Here's both clicker seatbelts.
We ended up actually with a lot of new bolts. That was that 13 mil that attached the exhaust manifold to the block. Yeah. This might have gone to the transmission.
Well, damn.
You know what?
I think it really is running pretty good here.
Gotta give me a handshake there.
So, oh, there we go.
Oh yeah. That's a nice firm handshake for a success. I guess that concludes the 2002 Corolla. I'm gonna get rid of this thing. I don't want it. 3 police showed up. The code enforcement showed up, and that police car back there, luckily, did not pull me over. And I actually bent this closed a little so I could get to the bolts on the torque converter here. So it was a little bit wider than that.
Other than that, I mean, it still ran on 3 cylinders.